In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Dragon Ball Z on Hulu so you can relive the action-packed adventures of Goku and his friends. Let's get started. To watch Dragon Ball Z on Hulu, first ensure you have an active Hulu subscription. Open the Hulu app or visit hulu.com and log into your account. Use the search bar to type Dragon Ball Z or browse the anime section to locate the series. Once you find it, click on the show to access its episodes. Hulu offers both subtitled and dubbed versions of many anime, so you can choose your preferred viewing option. Look for episodes labeled as English dubbed if you prefer the English version. If Dragon Ball Z is not available on Hulu due to licensing changes, consider alternative platforms like Crunchyroll or Funimation, which also provide the series in both subbed and dubbed formats. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy watching Dragon Ball Z on Hulu.